Hello friends, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I am going to explain about my Unix lab experiment number 1. So in this experiment only, I need to explain my basic command. So first, what is thing? List the content of the user home directory including the whole hidden file. So for that, what we have command, we have ls -a -a for in this you can see list of all the command included hidden files. Now list the content of the variable var var directory. So first I need to go in that directory that I am using cd I forward slash then ls where hyphen where. So it will list out the content of worker. Then I need to create the two directory name dir1 and dir2. So first that I am going my uh, home directory cd. This navigation is for home directory. So mkdir mk means make directory, then directory name dir1 and dir2, then ls for printing. Previously that name was not there, now dir1 dir2 is present. The next, create the hidden directory with your name. For hidden directory, always start with dot. So mkdir dot, then my name. Then when list out, it will be display. Then next, I need to copy the etc password to the sample.txt. So for that, uh, cp, then your first I went to my directory dir1 because change into directory dir1. Then I went there, then copy the file etc password to the current sample.txt. For the cp etc password sample.txt, and for viewing that file you can write cat sample.txt. After that, change you to home directory and use pw command to check you are in the home directory or not. So for cd, that negation for making reaching home directory, then pwd is for present directory. That by that I can make sure that yes, I was in my present directory, that is home directory. Then I need to create a file txt1 using vi editor, and I need to write this content. So for creating vi txt1, first for creating dots text1.txt, so vi then text1.txt, and then in that file I wrote my all the content. After writing that, I need to take my student name who has research interesting as grid computing. So grab grid computing txt1.txt and cut hyphen f1. So it will give the name of the student who is research interest in grid computing. Next, display all the content of the students. So for that, I need to write cat and then file name. So it will be display the all the content. Next, display the content of the text file without any blank list. So for that we have the cat file name, then trd, and then for it is for tab. So what it will do, it will delete all the tab and it will display your file. Next, move the file sample text from directory dir1 to directory 2. So for that I am reaching first cd my directory 1. When I reach, you can see ls I type it. Here is nothing is there, so nothing will display. So I created one file vi sample.txt. Now you can see my sample.txt present my dir1. So then I went to my home directory. Then I am trying to copy my file sample.txt from dir1 to dir2. Then mv dir1 sample.txt, and then final destination, then cd dire2. When I reach, you can see when I type ls sample.txt is present now my dir2. Next, what I need to do, change the directory into dir2. So I reach my through my cd dir2 and check the file present sample.txt present ls is present sample.txt. Rename the file sample.txt to new txt, whether sample txt present or not. So for that, what I need to do, mv sample.txt, then new file name is new txt, then you can see new txt that file name. Then next I need to display the calendar. For that we have a command cal 12 means month number and then year 2020. So you can see that calendar. Now display the last three line of the text 1.txt. For that I went to my last home directory cd hyphen I type it Sorry, first I need to remove the directory dir1. So I reach my home directory ls. You can see here dir1 is present. For removing I have rm uh, hyphen r4 directory and the dir. So it will remove when I type ls. Now you can't see dir1 because that has been deleted. Then display the last three line of the test three lines. So for that we have the command. First I will show you what is my full file content cat text one. So this is my whole detail of my that file. Now I want to display on the last three lines. So for that we have to reach at the tail point. So command is tail hyphen 3 l for list lines and text one dot txt file name. So you can see only last three lines. Then display of the command of that you exited so far. So save into a file name today history.txt. So for that torch today.history.txt. So first I created my file name today history.txt, and for copying we have a history today history. So this command history will display all the your history that command you type and today history. When I open this file, you can see this is the all the command they present in my that file. Even that last command that I typed it history, that also present. Now how many file is present under your home directory? So for that we have a command ls wc-l. So here it means in my home directory 83 file are present in home directory. Thank you. That's for this experiment, web tech unix lab experiment. Thank you.